If you want to set up an alarm clock on the Xiaomi 17, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer and we need to find the clock app. Once you find it, you want to, of course, open it. You want to allow the clock app to send you notifications. Over here, make sure that you have alarms selected, or alarm actually, in the bottom left corner. And you will probably find some of these pre-created alarms that you can use if you want to. If you want to turn it on, we have the switcher on the right side. We can also see the information when the alarm will go off. You can, of course, turn off the alarm as well. If the alarm is repeatable, you can completely turn it off, or just turn it off for tomorrow. If you tap on the alarm, you can edit it, so you can choose at what time it should go off. We can also go to additional settings in order to find some further adjustments, further settings that we can go through. And of course, we can tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. Besides that, you can create your own new alarm by using this plus over here in the bottom right corner. And the rest is pretty much the same, just like before, where we have the time when the alarm should go off. We have the ringtone selection, whether it is repeatable or not. So here you can decide. We have a couple of additional options. We can even attach a label. We can write a label, name our alarm, and of course, remember to use this check in the upper right corner in order to add it to the list. And you can remove alarms as well. If you press and hold your finger on the alarm, then it's going to be selected. You can, of course, select multiple alarms at once. And then at the bottom, we can choose to delete. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.